Cooking it can be quite a treat, but sometimes a few things might go wrong. Here are some common problems and tips to fix them. Number 1. Overcooked noodles. If your noodles are turning mushy, try cooking them separately and adding them to the stir-fry at the end. Number 2. Lack of flavor. Boost the flavor with more garlic and oyster sauce. Don't forget to use good quality broth or stock for a richer taste. And number 3. Dry pancit. If your pancit is too dry, add a bit of broth or water while stir-frying to keep everything moist and flavorful. And remember, the key to a great Pancit Canton is to balance the flavors and textures. Experimenting a bit will get you that perfect dish. If you need specific help with a step or ingredient, feel free to ask. If you have a special occasion coming up, maybe it's time to give Pancit Canton a try. A comfort food, evoking nostalgia and fond memories of family gatherings and home-cooked meals. This stir-fried noodle dish embodies a fusion of Filipino and Chinese culinary influences, reflecting the rich tapestry of the Philippines' cultural heritage.